Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting episode of Teacher Kenneth Teaches You English. I'm your host, Teacher Kenneth. Our topic is idioms, American idioms. What is an idiom? Good question. An expression whose meaning is not predictable from the usual meanings of its constituent elements as kick the bucket or hang one's head, or from the general grammatical rules of a language as the table round for the round table, and that is not a constituent of a larger expression of like characteristics. Very confusing. Let me show you a better answer. Idioms make words more human. Idioms are related to human topics. When we use idioms, we relate them to things that everybody understands, like animals, sports, entertainment, politics, and culture. Number 1, elephant in the room. Number 2, hold your horses. Number 3, monkey business. Number 4, a fly on the wall. Number 5, ants in your pants. Number 6, drop the ball. Number 7, game plan. Number 8, to take sides. Number 9, I'm all ears. Number 10, give me a hand. Our first idiom of the day, elephant in the room. We have an elephant in the room. Elephants are very big. Elephants are obvious, easy to see. You cannot ignore the elephant. It's there. Everybody sees it. We use elephant in the room. It's an elephant in a room. We have to talk about it. Number 1, let's talk about the elephant in the room. A big secret that everybody knows. Maybe somebody died or got fired, but nobody wants to talk about it, even though it's on everybody's mind. Number 2, is anyone going to address or is anyone going to talk about the elephant in the room? Number 3, don't ignore the elephant in the room. It really just means something you should talk about. Number 2 is hold your horses. Hold your horses. Hold them. Don't let them go because they're very strong. They can get out of control. Horses are fast, strong, and ready to run. Number 1, hold your horses. Wait, stop. Finish your lunch before you go outside. Number 2, hold your horses. Let me tie my shoes first. Wait, stop. Hang on. Relax. Let me tie my shoes first. Number 3, you don't need to be in such a rush. Hold your horses. Hold your horses means relax, wait, stop, slow down. Number 3, monkey business. So what do monkeys do? Monkeys play around, goof off, joke. Monkeys are playful, funny, or maybe annoying. They don't like to work. Maybe they're lazy. Number 1, what's with all the monkey business? Finish your homework. Don't mess around. Finish your homework. Number 2, don't try any monkey business. We need to finish our project. Number 3, our teacher doesn't like monkey business in her class. Our teacher doesn't like when you mess around. She doesn't want you to act like a monkey. Be serious. Number 4, a fly on the wall. Here's a picture of a fly. What if a fly were big? You would see it. But flies are very small and they like to go on the wall. They're hard to see. They hear everything because there's always a fly somewhere. If you're talking, a fly would be able to tell all your secrets because they are everywhere. They are small, they're everywhere, and they're hard to find. Number 1, I wish I were a fly on the wall in my boss's office. I would like to know how I'm doing. So if I were a fly on the wall, I could listen to my boss talk about me. Is he saying something good or bad? Number 2, I would love to be a fly on the wall when 2 politicians meet. Politicians, and they're talking. What are they talking about? You want to hear, but you can't because you're not a fly on the wall. Number 3, we have Sarah and Jeff. Sarah says, what are they talking about in there? Jeff says, I don't know. I wish I could be a fly on the wall. So Jeff wants to be a fly on the wall so he can hear what they're talking about inside. Number 5, ants in pants. Ants in your pants, my pants, the pants, his pants, somebody's pants. Here you have ants, here you have pants. What happens if the ants go inside? You feel like this, like you, right? You can't sit still, you move around, you're very uncomfortable, something is bothering you. If you have ants in your pants, you feel like you have an itch. Ants go everywhere, and ants travel in groups. Ants are crawling on you, they go in your pants, you start moving around, you're very uncomfortable. Maybe they're biting you. Number 1, why can't you stay in your chair? Ants in your pants? Do you have ants in your pants? What's wrong? Why can't you sit still? Number 2, he won't stop moving. He has ants in his pants. So you keep moving around. You're just like this. Maybe you're just moving back and forth like this. Number 3, waiting for the holiday is like having ants in my pants. Maybe I'm waiting for Christmas or Songkran or some special day. Maybe a holiday, maybe the end of school. I have ants in my pants. I keep moving around. I'm pacing and walking back and forth because I'm excited or maybe nervous or something is bothering me. All right, thank you for checking out part 1 of this video. Check back for part 2 of more American idioms.